Embark on a journey across the sands of the Sahara to the storied banks of the Nile River, once ruled by the most celebrated builder in the history of Egypt. Experience the world premiere exhibition, Ramses the Great and the Gold of the Pharaohs. Come face to face with over 180 priceless artifacts in one of the greatest collections of its kind, 2,300 years in the making. Discover magnificent jewelry, spectacular royal masks, and ornate treasures of the tomb, many representing the pharaoh himself. Marvel at the wondrous feats of engineering and numerous monuments built to carry his name through time. Immerse yourself in a first-of-its-kind virtual reality tour of the legendary Abu Simbel Temple and Nefertari's tomb.